In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete WooCommerce from your WordPress website. Whether you're simplifying your site or changing your e-commerce strategy, removing WooCommerce is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First things first, let's head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center for all your site's activities, and it's where you manage everything from content creation to plugin management. Once you're on your dashboard, take a look at the sidebar on your left. You'll see a variety of options listed here. You're going to want to find and click on the section labeled Plugins. When you hover over Plugins, a drop-down menu appears, revealing several choices. Go ahead and click on Installed Plugins. This will take you to a new page that lists all the plugins currently active on your WordPress site, including WooCommerce. Now you'll need to locate WooCommerce in your list of installed plugins. Typically, the plugins are organized alphabetically, which should make finding WooCommerce fairly straightforward. Once you've spotted WooCommerce on the list, your next move is to deactivate it. To do this, just look to the right of the plugin's name. You'll see a button labeled Deactivate. Give that a click. Deactivating WooCommerce ensures that while the plugin still exists on your site, it is no longer actively running or impacting your site's performance. Once you've deactivated WooCommerce, the next and final step is to delete it entirely. After the plugin is deactivated, you'll notice the option to Delete appears in place of the Deactivate button. Click on Delete to remove WooCommerce from your site completely. You might be prompted to confirm this action with a simple "Yes, delete these files," or "Continue," depending on your site's configuration. Go ahead and confirm the deletion. Deleting the plugin removes all its files from your server, effectively cleaning up your site's file structure and potentially improving site performance. Keep in mind that deleting WooCommerce will also affect anything directly attached to it, such as WooCommerce-specific data, product listings, and orders, unless you've backed these up or migrated them. Always double-check and ensure that you have everything you need before completing this process. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to delete WooCommerce from your WordPress website. As you can see, this process is both straightforward and quick, helping you maintain full control over your site's functionalities. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or reach out. Remember to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Have a great day!